Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Got this quick Anita here that wasn't heating, not getting hot, and the customer also wanted a tune-up, so replaced the heating element, cleaned out the boiler, did a tune-up, replacing the screen and gasket right up in here. Deep cleaning with some Kafiza. There was a leak over here, replaced some gaskets in the arm. There's also a leak here, replaced a gasket there for the steam. And then once we did all that, it wouldn't get up to pressure. It'd just come up a little bit and then drop back down, and the pump was failing, so had to replace the pump. A lot of work. Here we go. Make a shot. See the pressure rise, stay steady. Our flow is a bit fast, looks like. Grind's either too coarse or not using enough coffee, but I used 18 grams, so that should have been enough. Let me tighten up the grind. Just see if the steam pressure's where it should be. There you go, quick Anita working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.